guess where am I?
I think you are at the restaurant.
Everybody. So today our lesson is at the restaurant because I'm at the restaurant. Thumbs up, whatever you were able to come up with, please show it on the screen.
Glass for water, knife,
Okay.
sauce, green chili sauce, menu card, and tissue paper.
Very good. Here, like from our batch, if you have to appoint somebody as a manager of a restaurant, who would you hire? Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Uh, all right. I hope we all are doing fine.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And just a reminder, everybody, as who is the behavior cop of our class? Who is that, Pooja? All right. So, Pooja, please ensure that everybody speaks by raising their virtual hands. And visibility cop, who is Jalis, I think, yeah, he's there. And everybody, most of us are visible. And who was the chat box cop of our session?
He is not here today. He was Mohit.
Oh, yes, he was Mohit. So let's have a backup cop then. I'm sure Rama will be able to do a pretty well job. Rama, would you like to take this
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Specifically, your duty today will be to ensure that everybody uses correct capitalization and punctuation in the chat box. Okay? All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, everybody. So I'm getting little bored, everybody. I wish to go somewhere. But in this lockdown, I can't go anywhere. And I will use Google Map to go somewhere. Can you help me to go there?
But ma'am, we do not know where you want to go.
I know, yes, but I have a magic wand here. So, you know, the moment you're going
Ma'am,
to...
you can't go. You can't go anywhere.
Yeah, but let's see. I have a magic in my hand, and the moment you're going to say 3, 2, 1, I will be in a different place. Would you like to try that, everybody? Would you like to see that magic happening?
Okay, ma'am, so you will be
We are excited.
Okay, Rama, I think
breakout room, right?
discipline cop needs to be active.
Excuse me, everyone. Please
Change the background.
speak one by one.
Yeah, Rama, please raise your hand and then speak.
I was saying that you will go in a breakout room. That's a new place.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's figure it out. Okay, everybody, you have to show your fingers and you have to say 3, 2, 1 slowly, and then I'll be, you know, in a different world afterwards. Let's say. But if you smile and say, only then it will work.
Okay.
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 Shall we start?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Done.
I'm here, everybody. I have reached. Can you guess where am I? I so wanted to go somewhere, and I am here. Let's see who can guess this place. Where am I? Oh my God! Where did my Google Map drop me?
Ma'am, where did you get this magic from?
Sorry,
Where did you get this magic from? You just landed up somewhere.
I only get it when all the students are present and all the students are visible on screen. So my laptop gives me this opportunity to to move from one place to the other. Let me ask Mantisha. Mantisha, are you able to understand where am I right now?
Yes, ma'am. I think you are at the restaurant.
Oh, okay. How many of us think that I'm in a restaurant? And is it restaurant or Mantisha spoke it little differently? Sonia, what do you think?
It's restaurant.
Oh, restaurant. Okay, thank you.
So as I know that it's restaurant.
Very nice. It is. It's a restaurant. You're right. Thank you. Thank you, Sumbul. Everybody, very important question here is, can you tell me some objects which are common in your home and in this picture which is there in the background, which you find, and where do you find them? Ankita?
Yes, ma'am. We find these objects in dining room.
Oh, in dining room. So dining room is one place where we find it. Where else do we find it? Let's ask Neha.
We keep these things in our kitchen. If the glass and plates, these are the things.
All right, all right. Thank you, Neha, and thank you, Ankita, also. Everybody, so today our lesson is at the restaurant because I'm at the restaurant and we all are going to help one another to learn what to talk when we are in restaurant. Is that fine, everybody? Are we ready to learn? Great. And as Neha and Ankita have shared that we do find some objects at our home also. We find this in restaurant, we find this in restaurant, we find this also in restaurant, and these two. Okay, I also have this which we find in restaurant. So everybody, we are going to get 20 seconds. We are going to run around and grab 5 objects which we find in restaurant, which is there at our home also. And let's see who all can bring that. The time starts now. 20, 19, 18,
29.
17. Everybody has to come up with some objects which we have in kitchen and at restaurant. 5 objects now. Five.
Five. Okay.
I have 5 here. Amit, I hope you're ready with the objects.
I have one.
Come on, man, you have to come up with 5. 15. Neha, I hope you're ready with some objects. Everybody has to, come on, everybody has to. Mantasha is ready, I hope.
Then it will take more than 20 seconds because after that I have to go downstairs.
Oh, it's okay. At least come up with some 3 objects. See, I gave special offer to you. 10, 9, everybody. 8, 7, 6. Last 5 seconds, everyone. 5 kind seconds. I hope you were able to come up with something.
Yes.
3,
Yes.
2, 1.5, 1, and 0. Time is up, everyone. Time is up. Whatever you were able to come up with, please show it on the screen. Anything which you were able to come up with. Sonia was able to grab spoon and bottle because they're at brunch. Okay. Jalis was able to come up with something very unique. Wow, great. Sumbul is carrying glasses and bowl and spoon. Good. Ankita is carrying a mug and a glass. Great. Shahbaz also a glass of
I
water.
can't hold 5 things. Water, a glass for water. Knife.
Okay.
Sauce, green chili sauce. Menu card and tissue paper.
Very good. I'm happy that you were able to come up with so many things. So what is this?
I have
have it.
fork
Okay.
and a spoon.
Do we call it a fork, Vrinda?
This is salad fork, I believe.
Oh, okay. And next thing?
This is spoon we
Okay.
use for eating rice
Mhm.
or curry dishes.
Okay.
And this is not actually the scissor. This is for kitchen, but we also use this for like eating omelets and as you think, dosa,
Right.
anything that you want, pancakes.
Yes.
Oh.
Thank you, Vrinda, for sharing that. Was there anybody who was able to come up with something different than what Vrinda showed here? Any new object?
No.
Okay, Shahbaz is showing. What is that, Shahbaz? Is that a pen?
Pencil. Okay, writing orders.
Oh.
Same I took.
But for orders, I have menu card.
Okay, so yeah, Rama was able to come up with menu card. Shahbaz to write something in the menu card. Something different also. Pooja, what is there in your hand?
Actually, that is a notepad on which we take orders.
Oh,
Pen and
wow. I think we must start our restaurant here in online session only. We have a lot of things now. The table is
in the house.
Let's see what Vandana was able to come up with. Vandana, anything which you were able to get, which you would like to add in our restaurant, because we are going to start our FA restaurant here.
So I can add bottle.
Yeah, you can
Yes,
add bottle.
yes, I can add bottles for the water.
And why would we use that bottle to store water or to pour? Or to
No,
serve?
no, no. actually, we have jug
Hmm.
on the table. So nowadays it's a trend that people are getting bottles also.
Oh,
Water,
okay.
pour water in the glass.
Okay, so we get one more object in for our restaurant, water bottle to pour water in the glass. Mantasha, is there something which you would like to add in our restaurant?
Actually, I bring the same thing: knife, fork,
Okay.
food,
She
and a
was
glass.
there to eat. She thought that they are going to
Yes, I'm
offer
ready to
something
eat.
and I'm going to eat.
Thank you so much.
And everybody, as we are able to come up with so many things for our restaurant, let's have some job openings also, everybody, for our restaurant. Okay, this is our restaurant which we have opened. So who all should we hire? I think we have many people who work in restaurant, right? Let's start from Shahbaz, as he's raising his hand.
So I don't work in a restaurant, but I can hire a waiter, a chef, a head
Only
chef.
only one. So you can hire a chef.
Yes, chef. One.
Okay. What does chef do, by the way? Let's ask Amit. Amit, what is the work of chef?
Yes, if I talk about chef, chef prepares the food for the people who are coming at the restaurant.
Yes, that's the work of the chef.
Okay,
He
and
cooks the food.
all right. Ankita, if you had to appoint somebody or give job to somebody in your restaurant, who would you like to hire in your restaurant?
As
As anything, as like now we have chef in our restaurant. Next,
manager.
oh,
I would like to hire manager.
And here, like from our batch, if you have to appoint somebody as a manager of a restaurant, who would you hire?
Okay. I would like to hire Pankaj as the manager.
Oh, okay. And what is the work of manager, Sonia? What does manager do in a restaurant?